Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Okta in Expo using PKCE step by step clearly. To authenticate with Okta in Expo using PKCE, begin by setting up your Okta developer account. Access the Okta developer console and create a new application. Select the native platform when prompted. Fill in the required details, including the redirect URI. Take note of your client ID and issuer URI. Now, install the necessary packages in your Expo project. Run the command to install the dependencies for authentication. Create a new file for your authentication logic. Import the required libraries in your new file. Define your Okta configuration object with the client ID and issuer. Implement the function to initiate the authentication process. Use the web browser API to open the authentication URL. Include the response type as code and set the PKCE parameters. Handle the redirect by parsing the URL once the user is authenticated. Extract the authorization code from the URL. Next, implement the function to exchange the authorization code for tokens. Make a POST request to the token endpoint using the authorization code. Send the required parameters, including the client ID and the code verifier. Once you receive the response, store the tokens securely. Add error handling to manage any authentication issues. Finally, test your authentication flow in your Expo app. Make sure to debug any issues that arise to ensure a smooth user experience. Your authentication process with Okta in Expo using PKCE is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.